Next thing is a subcutaneous placement. A tunneling might also be done. For example, the generator can also be placed into your abdominal cavities, right? In that cases, they might do a process called as tunneling, so that the catheter will then lead into that particular, the catheter in the sense, catheter will take away the electrodes, and these electrodes terminate into the heart cavities. Okay, so they might also do a tunneling. So it is called as a subcutaneous pocket. They might create a pocket. There are two things that are here: revision of a pocket and the relocation of a pocket. Revision of a pocket you don't have to code separately, whereas relocation you might have to code it separately. Now here is just one example. This is one particular example where the patient is coming for the insertion of a pacemaker plus the multiple lead system. So how do you code that? You can code that as 33208 plus 33225. Is that clear? So you can see this picture over here, which shows a lead and a battery. This generator containing the battery. Sometimes there might be a change of a battery, which is a change of pulse generator.